To expand its market share, Tivo is set to release a smart TV. Xperi, the parent company of Tivo, has agreed with the television maker to develop a smart television line based on the company's television operating system, Tivo Stream. Tivo Stream OS-powered smart TV's release date and pricing are finally here, and this video talks about it. Design. The Tivo Stream 4K is an HDMI dongle the size of a debit card that can be discreetly mounted behind your TV. It's not like every other adapter out there. It's got the Tivo logo big and bold on the front, and it's shaped like a miniature edge DVR. The peanut-shaped remote is instantly recognizable and has become a trademark of the Stream 4K. You can expect it to be about 2/3 the size of Tivo's original DVR remote with a few additional features. To use Google Voice Search, press and hold the Google button for a few seconds before speaking. The silver Tivo button will open the Stream app. The circular key on the left of the Assistant button will take you to the Smart TV home screen. Stay with us, because we'll talk more about the software that powers the Tivo Stream. It's quite interesting. Because it uses HDMI CEC rather than infrared like Roku and Amazon, you'll need a relatively recent TV to control the power, volume, and input. Display. The quality of the video when the Tivo Stream is on par with the Apple TV 4K on applications where the Samsung appears to support HDR formats when connected to the Dolby Vision and Atmos-capable CX OLED from LG. Even if Tivo's Stream hardware can handle a specific format, that doesn't necessarily mean the software can. For Tivo, the 4K and Dolby Vision streaming was available via Netflix, Disney+, and Amazon Prime was a huge bonus. As with the Apple TV 4K, the Tivo translates all content, such as the menus and video from all apps, including the many streams that aren't in HDR to Dolby Vision or HDR. Software and performance. Regarding software, the Tivo Stream 4K gadget isn't particularly impressive compared to NVIDIA Shield.
So as the name implies, the Tivo Stream 4K will, in fact, stream in 4K, which is good, because that would have been really awkward if it couldn't.
Built in are 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, and an Amlogic S905Y2 processor. In tests, the Tivo performed admirably with 1080p content, but it lacked the processing power necessary to run more complex features, like the Steam Link program. Subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications to be the first to know when we upload new videos. As the company's flagship product, the Tivo Stream 4K is built around a unique app called Stream. It combines all your favorite series and movies across several platforms, including apps, Netflix, HBO Now, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, Disney+, and Google Play Movies. It also recommends additional episodes and movies based on your viewing history and preferences. It exists in addition to the standard Android TV interface, of course leading to a change in price, which will be discussed later in the video. Tivo's first steps into the world of smart TV. Xperi, the current owner of Tivo, is entering the television software market with Tivo OS. That implies there will be even more competition to control the software on your TV. On the other hand, Tivo's goal with Tivo OS is to be a first-of-its-kind independent system, which means that the experience will be shaped more by the hardware manufacturers than by the Tivo itself. For the second year in a row, Roku has boasted the highest sales of any smart TV operating system in the United States. Companies like Samsung and LG control the entire customer experience using their own proprietary software platforms with their TVs. To level the playing field between Samsung and LG, Xperi has developed Tivo OS to return control to the equipment manufacturers. The Tivo OS will be an alternative to Roku, Apple, and Amazon products. However, Tivo has a long way to go before fulfilling that promise. There is currently no TV on the market that runs the Tivo operating system. Price and availability of the incoming Tivo Smart TV. The only other device that comes close is Apple's own TV, but it doesn't work with Netflix, and its 4K HDR streamer costs a whopping $180. You'll save time and money even if you only use Hulu, Amazon Prime, Disney+, and HBO in your Tivo Stream. If the Tivo Stream isn't the ideal product for you and your family, watch this video to find out several other must-haves from Amazon that we know you'll love. It's here! Incredible Amazon must-haves for home 2022.